Everybody, Ryan here from Android Coliseum. I have a pretty cool set of headphones here. This is a company called AIAIAI. Never heard of them before myself. I call myself an audiophile, but this is their HD wireless TMA-2s. Now this is a $350 set of headphones. I don't know if I've ever reviewed headphones that expensive before. And let's see. Get these guys out of the box. How to get them out. Alright, that was a bit of a trouble. So let me see, they're over-the-ear styles. In the box, specs, what can we got here? 113 decibels, not bad. 80 hertz just lower. We have the sensitivity, right? That's all there. Some decent specs, we'll see. So it uses Bluetooth as well, so wireless. So let's go into it. And the neat thing, I pulled these out earlier, was that what are they called? Modular. I was like, what do they mean by modular headphones? We start off here, we got hey, congratulations on your purchase. Any questions, please give us a call back. But this is kind of cool. It looks like a meals ready to eat kind of package. And you rip it open, you got your cables. You got your speaker units. You got your ear pads. You got your headband piece. So you kind of IKEA set it all together. So let's see. Let's see how these all fit together. So they give you little instructions on how to do this. Kind of cool. Make sure you get the red mini jack, red socket. Yeah, well, red goes to red, right? There's the driver, right there. The other driver. Okay, speaker units. Let's see the ear pads. Ooh, the ear pads. Whoops. Any instruction on here? These are just ear pads, and I guess they just kind of go on there. Just kind of snap in place. Pretty straightforward and easy, I think. I'm hoping I'm not jumping some steps and missing something important. Oh, there's that red connector. Let's see. There we go. These are nice. These are very cloth. Like, these feel like a pillow. You know, like you would actually have like on a couch versus like that kind of weird styrofoam thing together. All right, let's do this. Okay. Ooh, there's reds. There's a charger. Oh, and it's USB-C charging. Oh, I wonder if it's USB-C connection as well. So, let's say red. Is that the red one? Or is that the red one? That's the red one. All right, so we're gonna put this in here. And just kind of that, and then connect that guy there. See in? Trust me, that's not a phrase I'm used to hearing, guys. All right. And there we go in there. I don't know if it matters if it's upside down or not, but those feel really nice. Let's take a look at these cables. What a mess that comes in here. I like how modular makes it really kind of feel like you get to, oh, look at that. They come with a 1/4-inch jack as well, right? There we go. So it screws on, a nice solid connection. Somebody knows their audio files. All right. But that's 1/8 inch jack, 1/8 inch jack, or 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch. Right there. That's a nice cable too. And then just can work on any side of those. So that's pretty neat. So you got cables on either side. Very cool. So I guess I'll do is figure out how to charge them up. And let's play around. Anyways, I'll have a full review on the website. If you have any questions, give me a shout.